This is the Yescu deburring tool set. It's a 10-piece set with high-strength steel. Nothing really in the box. A little bit of instructions on the back. I'll save you that. Comes in a nice little kit here, and here we go. Yeah, I thought this probably fell out because I could hear it when I was moving it around. Got it set up a little better. There, that's how it's supposed to look. So it's got a little quick release side that rotates, and then you have this side where you can lock it in. I'm going the wrong way. All right, so this is, you probably recognize it if you're in the 3D world. This is a Gridfinity part base layer. And I had just a little bit of mush here. I'm probably going a little too aggressive with it, but it's a base layer, so I don't care that much. It worked good. It's nice and sharp. And then I'll show you this piece. I don't know what I'm really going to be able to do with this, but it's just an ugly print, right? So I'm coming, the angle's almost perfect on this. Clean it up. That worked really well. So first thoughts and initial impressions. It's a good kit. It comes with, you know, what you need. There's 10 of them, so you're not going to run out, probably, maybe ever. The kit goes in there real nice. The handle is really high quality. This part is really high quality. I think these, the two attachment parts feel precision made. I got no complaints. The case is fine. It is what it is. Like their little thing here is just floating, and I don't know. The case is fine, but everything else is extremely well made. And to be honest, the case is pretty durable and will probably survive just about anything you put through. I like it.